See ya, Mike. What's going on YouTube? Just following my buddies out to I think a shooting range. We're gonna go shoot some guns. I'll get some footage for you guys. Just some shoot with the bros. So I see you guys been liking my stuff and watching a lot of it. You know, up to 10 subscribers now. Shout out to everyone that subscribed and viewed and liked. Does a lot. Really appreciate it, guys. You know, it's building this channel slowly. I mean, we've only been viral for about, I think, 3 days, 2 or 3 days. So, you know, it's doing well so far. Just got to figure out, you know, where we're gonna go from after this. I hope nothing but the top. I don't know if you guys have interested in or I guess got any more interest in viewing my social media, but I didn't. You know, I posted in every description. I hope you guys, you know, view that and, you know, follow me and follow my daily life if you really give a shit. If not, then, you know, we'll see what goes on. Popo's driving around something. I don't know what he's doing. Cruising at 30 miles. Yeah, we're going 35. Kick it up to 45. Can't go fast because the popo. Fuck. I think I am going to release a actual vlog and give you guys all the updates on what's going on, you know, what I'm bringing out to the channel soon. I hope you guys watch that, you know, get in tune to what's going on with the channel and how I plan on building it. A fucking mannequin out front, what the hell? It's a weird shit for YouTube, though. Dude, $1 headphones? Fuck, my wallet's out in the car, or out in the bike. Son of a bitch. Oh, what?
They have 2 left of the $1 cans. Ask them if they have any more. Hey, ma'am.
B037.
There's different shit in it.
I know. I don't know. Hey, look, it's clothes for Wes's girlfriend.
This is where he takes
Kate to go shopping. You guys think I look good? Think I look good in these?
Yeah.
Hmm? Think I look good?
Yeah, I'd fuck you.
Hmm. Jake, you could get your own stuff. You need some tampons? You need some tampons for your dirty vagina?
He says, "Oh, we got him. He's here." Oh, he's gone. That's all we got him here. Got him. You're fine.
It's just here, I guess. We're gonna shoot him because it looks awesome when it explodes.
That's all we got. Sorry. You're
Yeah,
good.
it's all good. I mean, is the 65 cents really that much?
After tax, be like 2 something.
I have a really wicked boner, so.
Yeah. We make a works bomb and then.
His camera's really good in the day, but it's kind of iffy at night.